Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Techie King. Here you will find basic knowledge about flood impact. Have you ever wondered how devastating the impact of floods can be on homes and businesses? Floods can cause substantial damage, ravaging the infrastructure and potentially leading to loss of valuable assets. The aftermath of a flood can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be a lost cause. Meet the flood restoration specialists, your ray of hope in the wake of a flood disaster. Armed with knowledge and armed with state-of-the-art equipment, these experts dive deep into the chaos to salvage what's left of your homes and businesses. They meticulously clean, dry, and restore each inch, turning back time to when things were dry and safe. Their mission is to bring back normalcy, making your space livable once again. We handle the mess so you can handle what matters most. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to what our satisfied customers have to say. Jane from Ohio shares, "When my basement flooded, these experts were there in a flash. They turned a catastrophe into a manageable situation." And Tom from Michigan enthuses, "Post-flood, my home was a wreck. These specialists brought it back to life." From coast to coast, we've helped countless homeowners transform their flood disasters into success stories. We turn flood disasters into success stories. Don't let a flood turn your life upside down. When disaster strikes, it's crucial to act swiftly. Trust the professionals to restore your home, ensuring it's safe and comfortable once again. Hire a flood restoration specialist today and reclaim your home and peace of mind. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and share it.